My name is Abdul Karim Qureshi, and in this video I want to teach you about how to register your account in Binance Exchange. First of all, open the website binance.com. Binance.com. After opening the site, click register now. Now you will see the page here where you can register your account through email address, and the other one is mobile address. These are two options through which you can register your account. If you want to register your account through mobile, first here select the mobile, and then the country from where you residing, and then the country code will automatically will be selected here, and then type your mobile number, and below you can type your password. Okay, here you can type your password, and the next one is a referral ID. The referral ID will show here. Click here and this will show the referral ID place. Here you need a referral ID of Binance Exchange. That can you type here like 2132853. This is the Binance Exchange referral ID. You can put here the same, and create your account. The account a message from Binance Exchange will be sent at your mobile number you put here, and then it will send you our code, security code to put here. It will show you like this. Here, like here, you can put the code to finish your account registration. Now we are teaching about email registration. How we can register our account through email address, right? Put your email address here. Now put your password here. After this, it will require referral ID option, that is Binance Exchange referral ID. Click this button and type your referral Binance Exchange referral ID. You can type here 2132852. This is the Binance Exchange referral ID. Now click the registration button here, and now your account has been registered and an email has been sent to your registered email ID. The code is valid for 30 minutes. Okay, there is they sent you a 6-digit verification code on your email address. Now you open your email address and put the security codes here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here is a 6 digits columns here, cells here, and you can put your 6 digits. This is my email address, and this is from Binance Exchange, the email from Binance, and 38526. I can copy this and trying to paste here. Okay, correct. You can see the account has been created successfully on Binance Exchange. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video to get notification of my fresh videos and lectures that are recording about Binance Exchange and other exchanges. Thank you for watching my video.